Hey guys, I wanted to show you my BB guns that I got. Well, I've had them for a long time. So I wanted to show you what kind of BB guns they are, the best way to shoot them, and some other stuff. So let's get to it. So the first thing I got, well, there's one missing. It's somewhere. And I have this one. It's not a real gun. It's a BB gun like the rest I'm going to show you. And it's really cool. It's pump action. You take this like that, but you put it all the way out. And it has a safety right here. It's a daisy, really nice. It has a really not too good scope, but it's not lined up yet. But yeah, I think it's cool, really cool. And to shoot, you load this like 5 times. You pull this back, this little thing, this, but all the way back. And you aim, but it has the caps on right now. So yeah, this is this BB gun. And it doesn't take a CO2 cartridge, and I'll show you what a CO2 cartridge is, and when we get more into the video. So yeah, this is my Daisy BB gun. Then I want to show you my other sniper rifle. In this big bag, gun bag. This one looks real, but it's not, so. I put some stuff like right here on the stock because it was too big for me. I mean, it was too small for me. So all you need to do really, and it has a dot right here. It has 2 green ones here, and to shoot it. Oh wait, this is out. Yeah, so. Yeah, the cartridge goes in here. Take it out, and yes, it's a really, really, really big cartridge. Do you want to see what the cartridge looks like after I discuss with this? And then you take this. It works like a real gun too. You take this, and then you pull this back, forward, push it forward, and then yeah, it's ready to fire. And it takes these. You put it in, right in here. And and I'll show you what kind of BBs it takes. It takes these, they're caps. And yeah. And then my last BB gun would be, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that, this BB gun takes either these or these. And oh yeah, the CO2 for this one, it's huge. This is it. I already used it, so like look how big that is compared to my 2 hands. It's huge. It's a lot more heavy when it has air in it. I already used it though. And it, yeah. And the last one is my pistol. And it's not real. It's BB. Here's the mag. And it takes the caps, wherever I just put those. Not these. It takes these, I think. And yeah, and you load it like that, put it in, and yeah, it has a hammer too. like a recoil. So, yeah, it's got some weight to it. And to get out the magazine, well, here's a CO2 cartridge in here. That's the CO2 cartridge. And this is the CO2 cartridge for the other one. Like, look at the size difference. It's a big difference. So yeah, the CO2 goes in there. Yeah, it's a really nice gun. And you have some space to put an attachment, like right here. Yeah, so it's a PT/85 blow black Gamo. Yeah. I really like it. And here's the safety. Right now, it's off. You push down, backwards and down, and push up. And it's live. See? And yeah. Now it's off, so. I love doing that. So yeah, and it's got some weight to it. And the sights, pretty nice. Yeah, those are all my BB guns. And I want to show you if I was actually shooting this. Oh yeah, and fingers all the way off the trigger. And if you're walking, let's say you were in the army, right, and you're walking in the woods and you have teammates. What if you fall over and your fingers on the trigger and your safety's off? You're gonna shoot your teammate. You might. So yeah, these are all my BB guns. Well, I have one more. Yeah, and yeah, these are the CO2s, other CO2s. Like, I want to show you the size difference. Yeah. There are 25 in this box of CO2s. Yeah, and guess what, guys? This CO2 is like $7 or $8. It has a lot of air in it. Yeah, this gun is really heavy. Not really heavy, but it's heavy. This gun, not so much. This gun is heavy for a pistol. Yeah, these are all my BB guns. And yeah, so I'm saying yeah too much. So these are all my BB guns. So see you guys next time. And by the way, these are not real guns. Sorry, I heard something. And you really shouldn't hunt. Like, never hunt. Like, that's bad. Just never do that. It's just wrong. So yeah. And I made my own targets too. So yeah. These are all my BB guns. So see you guys next time.